Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a Nipat, Murukulu, Chakodi making business factory and, more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a Nipat, Murukulu, Chakodi business. When starting a Chakhna making business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 95 kgs of Chakhna per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, begin with a 95 kg per day capacity for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 260 kgs per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 190 kg per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully using the 190 kg per day capacity, then consider upgrading to 260 kgs per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a Chakhna making business with a factory capacity of 95 kg per day, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing Chakhna, you will need a flour mill machine. The machine is used to grind grains into flour. The capacity of 20 kgs per hour, which cost around 30,000 rupees. Then you will need a Chakhna mixing machine. This mixing machine is used to knead dough. The capacity of 15 kgs per hour, which should cost around 32,000 rupees. You need a Murukulu processing machine with 4 shapes. This machine helps to shape the dough into shapes. The capacity of this machine is 20 to 25 kg per hour. Its price is around 1,25,000 rupees. You must have a Chakhna fryer machine. A fryer machine is used to Chakhna fry in hot oil. This machine has a basket. This basket is useful for taking out the fried Chakhna. It has a capacity of 30 liters. Its costs around 60,000 rupees. You will also require a weighing machine. This machine is a device used to measure the weight of Chakhna. This machine capacity is 20 kgs, will cost around 5,000 rupees. You should have Chakhna packaging machine. Packing machine is a device that packs products, costing about 5,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.